Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P0121 indicates an issue with the throttle position TP sensor A, which is responsible for monitoring the position of the throttle plate in the engine's throttle body. This sensor relays crucial information to the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, enabling it to adjust fuel injection and ignition timing for optimal engine performance. The TP sensor is normally integrated with the throttle body, located within the engine bay, often near the intake manifold. The PCM expects specific voltage range readings from the TP sensor. When these readings fall below 0.39 volts or exceed 4.48 volts, the PCM registers this discrepancy as a DTC P0121. It's essential to address this DTC promptly to ensure the vehicle operates efficiently and to prevent potential engine damage. Understanding this error helps in navigating the necessary troubleshooting steps effectively. The DTC P0121 signifies a malfunction in the throttle position TP sensor A, indicating that the sensor's output voltage is outside the specifications set by the manufacturer. The TP sensor is integrated with the throttle body assembly, and it plays a critical role in relaying the throttle plate position back to the PCM. This data is vital for the vehicle's engine management system, as it allows for precise control of air-fuel mixture and engine speed. The sensor is located within the engine compartment, typically adjacent to the intake manifold. When the output voltage drops below 0.39 volts or exceeds 4.48 volts, it triggers the PCM to store the diagnostic trouble code P0121. Understanding the fundamental operation of the TP sensor helps in diagnosing related components and any further issues arising from faulty readings. Several factors may contribute to the emergence of DTC P0121. A faulty throttle body could cause incorrect TP sensor readings, leading to improper voltage output. If there are damaged or worn wiring and connectors associated with the throttle position sensor, this could create resistance in the circuit, further skewing sensor output. A malfunctioning PCM may fail to interpret the correct input from the TP sensor, causing it to store the erroneous DTC. It is crucial to methodically assess each component and its wiring to identify the root cause. Evaluating these potential failures helps prioritize troubleshooting efforts to ensure optimal resolution of the issue. Symptoms associated with DTC P0121 often manifest as a decline in vehicle performance. Drivers may experience poor acceleration due to the incorrect air-fuel mixture commanded by the PCM in response to faulty TP sensor readings. This condition can lead to increased fuel consumption as the engine struggles to achieve optimal performance under load. Furthermore, if the throttle position sensor fails to provide accurate data, the engine may stall unexpectedly, posing safety risks during operation. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for early diagnosis and addressing the DTC to restore normal vehicle functioning. Building awareness of these signs can facilitate swift troubleshooting and ensure the vehicle remains reliable. The first step in the troubleshooting process for DTC P0121 involves checking the TP sensor A using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Begin by turning the ignition to the on position without starting the engine. This enables the HDS to communicate with the vehicle's onboard systems. The HDS will display the output voltage reading for the TP sensor A. A reading below 0.39 volts or above 4.48 volts indicates a fault situation where the PCM has flagged this as an issue. By confirming these values, technicians can determine whether the failure is duplicated, leading to the next necessary steps in addressing the DTC. Consistently identifying the correct voltage output is paramount to guide accurate diagnostics. The second troubleshooting step emphasizes a thorough inspection of the throttle body, where the TP sensor is integrated. Technicians should confirm the physical condition of the throttle body and inspect the sensor for any signs of damage or malfunction. A damaged throttle body can result in erroneous input readings sent back to the PCM, thus triggering DTC P0121. Check for proper mounting and any foreign objects that may obstruct its function. A visual assessment should include verifying electrical connections and cleanliness of throttle passages. Any visual cues indicating harm must be documented, as they play a crucial role in the overall functionality of the throttle assembly. The third step involves inspecting the external circuits that connect to the throttle position sensor, specifically examining VCC3, THL1, and SG3 circuits. It's crucial to perform these inspections while the vehicle is turned off to avoid electrical hazards. Use a multimeter to check for continuity and ensure that these wires have less than 1 ohm of resistance. If the resistance exceeds this threshold, it indicates a compromised circuit that could affect the TP sensor's function. This thorough examination aims to identify potential shorts, opens, or damaged wiring exclusive to the TP circuit. Accurate testing within these parameters will unveil any circuit-related issues before advancing to more complex inspections of the PCM. The final step in troubleshooting DTC P0121 focuses on inspecting the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, which serves as the brain of the vehicle's engine management system. Ensure that all connections to the PCM are securely fastened and free from corrosion or damage. The PCM must be tested for proper functionality, especially if previous inspections yield normal results for the throttle body and associated circuits. If discrepancies are found in PCM operations, it may be the direct source of the DTC issue. Understanding the PCM's role in orchestrating engine performance is essential for resolving voltage inconsistencies from the TP sensor. Identifying a defective PCM can lead to necessary replacements to restore proper vehicle performance. After completing the necessary repairs with respect to DTC P0121, the final step is to clear the DTC using the HDS and then conduct a series of performance tests on the vehicle. Following the reset, it's essential to monitor how the vehicle behaves during initial drive cycles. Watch for any reoccurrence of the symptoms previously noted, such as poor acceleration or stalling. Continuous vigilance ensures that the repair adequately addressed the underlying fault. Additionally, performing a final diagnostic scan can help confirm the absence of new or recurring DTCs associated with the previous issues. Effective verification is integral to ensuring a reliable restoration of the vehicle's performance. To prevent future occurrences of DTC P0121, implementing a robust preventive maintenance schedule is vital. Regular inspections of the throttle body and its corresponding sensors can catch problems before they escalate to the point of triggering a DTC. Additionally, monitoring all electrical connections related to the throttle position sensor ensures that no loose or corroded terminals contribute to erratic readings. Utilizing high-quality OEM original equipment manufacturer parts during replacements helps maintain the integrity of the vehicle's complex systems. This proactive approach will significantly mitigate potential issues, thereby enhancing overall vehicle reliability and performance. Commit to regular checks as a habit to prolong effectively the vehicle's life and operational efficiency. In conclusion, effectively managing DTC P0121 involves understanding the critical role of the throttle position TP sensor A and its integration within the throttle body. Diagnosing the issue requires thorough inspections of all associated components and their connections to identify faults accurately. Additional attention must be paid to the PCM, as failures here can mimic symptoms of sensor issues. Emphasizing routine checks and preventive maintenance will ensure the long-term success and reliability of the system. By mastering these diagnostics and repairs, technicians can foster a better performing vehicle, ultimately enhancing driving safety and efficiency for Honda Accord owners. Recognizing these key points lays the groundwork for successful maintenance and repair strategies. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.